Hi guys, tignan natin if makahuli tayo ng isda tonight. Anong oras ngayon? It's tignan natin yung oras ko sa relo ko. 7:56 ng gabi. So medyo may konting ambon, kaya medyo may pumapatak-patak. A little bit of rain around this time of the night. So freaking quiet. Hahuli kaya tayo ng isda pang almusal bukas. Ayan yung panungkit ko, nilagay ko na lang dyan para hindi ako mangawit. Sorry guys kung if I'm speaking Tagalog. Gusto nyo bang mag-English na lang din ako? Itaglish ko na lang. Ay nako. First time kong mangisda ng ganito eh. It's my first time. We'll see if it's going to be a successful one. Let's wait. Would you like to wait with me and see if I'll be able to catch a fish? Uy! Meron na! Baby! Baby! Help me please! Help me! There's a catch.
Yeah, you go.
Relax. Relax. We'll see if it's a good one. Hope it's a decent one.
Oh, the hook. Oh, that's one.
Yeah. What would that be? A baby monster? Ah! Oh, huh. Oh no. Is this a fish or a whale?
It's legal.
Beautiful. We'll see if it's legal enough. We'll see. Ay, teka, nakaharang.
Can you gotta get me a rag?
Rag, where would that be? Teka lang, kuha ko ng rag. Where will it?
The front of the boat.
Teka guys sorry. At madilim.
It's alright. I think I got it.